My name is AJ and I'm going into 8th grade at Hannah Beardsley. I have interest in engineering, and for my job in the future I want to either be an engineer, a programmer, or a coder for video games. So over the past couple of days we've been using Tinkercad to create our own 3D projects, prototypes to solve a problem. I think the most fun part about the process was creating the stuff using our own creativity and choosing everything. I think my favorite thing was watching as our projects got slowly built up and making our actual real versions of our products. I would say as you go on through the camp it gets a lot more fun because you get to decide what you do and you don't have to listen a lot. It's more hands-on than talking, and it was really fun, making the projects, and so I would recommend it.